Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is senior bank loan. Now, a senior bank loan is created for a company, usually is syndicated. It could be a group of banks or investors and resold. That senior bank loan usually has a lien on all the company's assets. So let's say you're company A and you want to borrow from Bank of America and you get a senior bank loan. That senior bank loan is senior to preferred stock, common stock, bondholders, everybody, and they get paid first in the event of a liquidation. This is an important part of the capital structure. Senior bank loans are generally issued by what we know as the sell side, which we talked about before. Senior bank loans usually have loans against all the company's assets, specifically so that the borrower cannot use those assets, and they make sure that senior bank loan is protected. Today's word is senior bank loan.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.